They're
They
everywhere.
come close to our heads,
Where'd they go?
I don't know. He's like, I gotta stop. That one's still perched over there. Oh no, he just left.
No, he's gone. Where the fuck are the rest of them though? They keep going right by us.
They're loud.
Hella loud. You can't ever see which way they're coming from either. They come up
They're
so
so
quick.
tiny. They come from everywhere. When they come, they come.
They just come up quick. Out of nowhere. Now they don't want to fucking show up.
Make that noise again. Maybe that's their mating call.
Oh shit.
There it is.
There he is. Where'd he go?
He'll be back. Okay. Listen to them. They're talking about us.
Oh, there he is. He perched up on that thing again. I can't see him on my phone. Oh shit. Oh shit. Holy shit! Holy shit!
Did you see how close?
Yeah, it almost hit me in the face. What the fuck? These birds are nuts. Oh
That
shit.
was cool though.
Oh shit. Dude, fuck this. These things are trying to attack us.
That's cool.
Yeah, real fucking cool until it's sticking out of your head like a dart.
I don't care. I want it too.
Where'd they go? That one tried to attack it. That's why. You see that?
See how close it came to my face?
Went right past my head.
They got needle noses too.
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm saying.
I gotta stop it again.
Oh shit!
Oh my god!
Dude, I'm out of here.
I'm not. I guess. Fucking, I like it.
Where'd he go?
I don't know. He'll be back. I think he's trying to grab my ponytail or something.
Where'd he go?
See, I turn it off and they don't. I don't know. Oh, here they come.
Oh shit!
Here it comes.
There it goes. There goes one, huh? That was a big bird. I don't know what that was. I can hear him. Oh shit!
There he is.
Can't see him that well with the trees in the back.
He's gonna get me. You know it.
Oh, he landed. He's still flapping though. Look at his little feet.
I can't see his feet in my phone.
Look at his little feet.
I know, in the front of him. I know they're
God, they're so small when they stop, flapping their wings.
Where'd he go? He fell.
That's what I'm saying. They just they disappear. They're so fast.
He looked like he just fell.
I keep hearing them. They keep buzzing. You hear it? They come around this corner hella quick.
I know. And forgot the right time.
Hey, where the fuck did they come from? Oh, I want to fucking get a video out on the lake of the bats.
I want to stand up and see if they come.
Oh yeah. That's dangerous though.
Shh, be still. Very quiet. Hunting buzzy birds.
They really do hum.
They're hummers.
Humble. They're so fucking loud.
What would I do if one got caught in my hair? Because it went.
Oh shit! There he is.
There.
Oh man, he just left. Shh, don't move. Here he comes. Oh shit! He's so close. Oh fuck! There's one behind us too.
Is there?
Yeah, I can hear it.
What is it?
It's one of those birds.
Don't look.
see it anymore. Holy shit. Alright, I'm good now. I seen him up close, that close. That's crazy.